Hello everyone, I'm Wizix and I'm delighted to introduce my new platform CG Legends. Today, the world of 3D is evolving faster than ever. Between the saturation of visual content, the massive arrival of artificial intelligence, and a more competitive job market, one thing is clear. If you want to make a living from your passion for 3D, you need to become a professional. And becoming a professional isn't just about accumulating tutorials. It's about developing real experience, understanding the fundamentals, and above all, being guided. Because behind every legend, there's a mentor. Batman had Alfred, Padawans had their Jedi, and the Ninja Turtles had Splinter. Today, we are living in a time of great change in the digital world. But the more tools evolve, the more essential mastering the basics becomes. The fundamentals are the pillars that will allow you to fully take advantage of new technologies. No one can create a solid website, develop a complex script, or produce a polished 3D image without understanding the basics that make it up. That's exactly why I created CG Legends, a space dedicated to 3D artists who want to make real progress, with structured modules on essential skills combined with personalized guidance. With CG Legends, you will have direct access to the Fuse training, over 50 hours of tutorials to learn the basics of Maya and 3D. You will learn the essentials of modeling, texturing, shading, and even rendering through 2 complete projects that will guide you step by step. You can also join Mastering Character, a new course dedicated to creating 3D characters. Choose your character, and we will create it together. From fully sculpting the body to photorealistic texturing, including creating hair with XGen, and that's just the beginning. Other chapters will be added to the platform, such as Mastering Shading, where you will learn to recreate different materials in 3D to build your own shader library. For more details, I invite you to visit the website cglegends.com. And don't miss the launch offer. Spots are limited, with a launch price that will remain fixed for life. So if you want to take it to the next level, join CG Legend.